597 centimeters in feet? First of all, we need to know the value of 1 centimeter in feet. It's always 1 centimeter equals 0.03280839895 feet. Now we have to multiply 0.03280839895 by 597. Therefore, 597 centimeters times 0.03280839895 feet equals 19.586614173115 feet. So, in other words, 597 centimeters equals 19.586614173115 feet. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.